Good morning, 6th graders. So I'm going to briefly show you what you're doing for your first Flex Friday. So it's pretty much going to be the same every Friday. The first thing I want to note that if you haven't taken attendance, take attendance today. I'm not 100% sure if you should, but it's always better to be safe than sorry. So after this video, please go take attendance so you can show that you checked in today. I'm going to just quickly show you what you're doing today. So on Flex Friday, you have 1 hour of ELA. There'll be some independent reading time in there and some activities, maybe some reflection activities, some connection activities, but it should only take you an hour and maybe a little bit less. The other thing I want to say is there is a digital drop-in time, and I'm going to just show you. So to get to these activities for Flex Friday, it's the same. I didn't want to switch it up, so it's pretty much the same routine you do every day. So go to your class. I'm just going to use block 1, 2. And then go to classwork, and then right up here in the course calendar you can see you'll have, there it is, there's your course calendar, and today is Friday, September 25th, so it's right here and it says First Flex Friday Task Sheet. Alright, so you click on that here, and I mean, it doesn't look very new. It's what you've seen before and been working with. One thing I want to note is for the ELA 6 digital drop-in time, it's from 8:55 to 9:55. So if you click this link here, you can access me and ask me any questions today. If you miss that time, feel free to email me or Google Hangout me and I'll get back to you. But, and sorry for the first 1, 2, and 2, 3, your chart kind of got cut off. Let me just see if I can fix that. There we go. Perfect. Alright, so Flex Friday, 60 minutes of ELA. You all have the same task, so notice 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. The first chapter Friday, read aloud. This is number 3. We've done 2 very similar to it. You're going to get 2 new books read aloud to you. Then you have 30 minutes of independent reading time. There's a timer right there. I suggest you click on it and have it going while you're reading. And then to end the hour, you'll have click here to post a summary of what you read to Padlet. And Padlet is just like this. You'll click here. And what did you read about today? Write a short summary about what you read today during independent reading time. Optional challenge, include a selfie of yourself in your reading space. So that's what you're doing today for ELA during Flex Friday. Again, the digital drop-in time is 8:55 to 9:55. Please drop in, click that link if you need help from me. I will see you all either in person or virtually on Monday. Have a great weekend.